Hello dear plasmatic friends. Today exponential equations. One more equation. Follow me please. First of all, we must identify that we have an equation and that is exponential because we have letters in the exponents. After that, we must see if we have one term on the left side and only one term on the right side. Unfortunately, here I have one term separated by a positive sign of another term. Then I need only one term. But here, I cannot factorize in order to get only one term, as we said in another videos, in our last videos. So, maybe if we pass everything to the left side, look, this e raised to the power of 2x will be negative e to the power of 2x, and this plus 2 will pass as negative 2. We change our signs when we pass to the left side. And now we see that we have a trinomial that could be factorized. Or maybe we could use the quadratic formula. Or maybe you could complete the square. Yes. So here I will use directly the quadratic formula to get the answer. Then when you have x squared and after that x and after that another term, you can use the quadratic formula because this exponent is twice this exponent. So I see that the quadratic form is there, then I can write the formula. But pay attention please, because if I have x squared and here x, you write x is equal to etc. But here, instead of x, we have e raised to the power of 2x. Then we are going to write e to the power of 2x is equal to negative b, positive negative, the square root of b squared minus 4ac and everything divided by 2a. Remember that when you have a quadratic form, the first coefficient, the coefficient of the term with the highest exponent will be a, the coefficient in the middle will be b, and the coefficient that is alone without x will be c. Then we are going to copy the coefficients. Please pay attention, you cannot put letters here, only numbers. Then negative, the value of b, that is negative 1. Positive negative, the square root of the coefficient b squared. So negative 1 squared minus 4 times the value of a, that is 1, times the value of c, that is negative 2. And everything divided by 2 times the value of a, that is 1. After that, negative times negative is positive 1, positive negative, the square root of negative 1 squared is 1, negative times positive times negative is positive, 4 times 1, 4 times 2 is 8, and everything divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Finally, the square root of 1 plus 8, 9 is 3, divided by 2. And now I will have two possibilities. E to the power of 2x will be equal to 1 plus 3 divided by 2. And another possibility, e to the power of 2x will be equal to 1 minus 3 divided by 2. Then e to the power of 2x will be equal to 1 plus 3, 4 divided by 2, 2. And here, e to the power of 2x will be equal to 1 minus 3 is negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Then, for solving those small equations, In order to eliminate e, we need to put ln, but if I put ln on the left side, I put ln on the right side. The same for this equation. So ln with e will be eliminated, and we have 2x is equal to ln of 2. And finally, I can pass this 2 to the denominator, and the answer will be x is equal to ln of 2 divided by 2. And that's it. Here, I have to put parentheses because we are saying that we are going to calculate the natural logarithm of -1. Then ln with e is eliminated, and we get 2x is equal to ln of -1. But pay attention, please. We said in our last videos that if you have a logarithm of a negative, that is impossible. That is undefined. Then here you have no solution, because a natural logarithm of a negative doesn't exist. Thank you very much, dear plasmatic friends. See you next video. See you next time.